Welcome to my studio where marble comes to life through the art of carving. Today, I'll take you through the intricate process of transforming this raw slab of stone into a masterpiece. First, I carefully select the tools I need for the journey ahead: chisels, hammer, grinders, and different burrs, each with its own purpose in shaping the marble. Next, I begin with marking the marble piece, sketching out the rough outline of the mihrab design. This initial step sets the foundation for the entire carving process. As I carve, I must attune to the unique qualities of the different varieties and textures of marble, adjusting my technique accordingly. Every strike of the chisel is deliberate, guiding the stones to its final form. Patience is the key in marble carving. It's a slow, methodical process that requires dedication and precision. As the piece takes shape, I focus on refining the details, coaxing out the subtle contours and textures that breathe life into the stone. And there you have it, from a simple slab of marble to the work of art that will stand the test of time. Thank you for joining me on the journey through the mesmerizing world of marble carving.